Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a fantastic day out there. I am so excited because today I have my Allure box and they have gone back to their Allure box and done away with the plastic bags. I am happy about it. I'm sure that as you watch YouTubers unbox this, you will get different opinions, but I use these boxes for so much, to store things, to pass along things, to ship things. I love these boxes. And although the plastic pouches were kind of cute in the beginning, all of them that I got were broken. And B, now that I have some that aren't, I still don't find that I really use them much. So I am glad that we've gone back to the box. Thanks to my friend Julie at Julie Unboxings, I have learned, because I always felt like I got the very last Allure box on the planet. So I have learned that if you order through Amazon, you actually get your box quicker. For the next couple of months, I'm going to try them both, see who arrives first, see if there's any difference in products, but this is my Amazon box, so it definitely beat the other box. Let's get in here and see what Allure did for the month of September. In case you don't know, Allure is a $15 per month subscription box. I will put my link below if you have any interest in checking it out. Generally, you can get the first month for just $10, and then it goes to $15 after that. And it's usually 5 to 6 samples, deluxe samples, full-size products. They throw a little bit of everything in here. There are months that are better than others. There's one month that we got tons of huge Sunday Riley. I always like it. Some months are just extraordinary. So when we open this month's box, this is what we see. And it's our Allure pamphlet that will tell us from the perspective of editors who have tried it, what they think about the products that we're getting ready to see. And when we open it, this is what we have. So let's see what it is. Right off the bat, and I'm going to bring two of the items out. It is Perfect Smooth by Nature Lab Tokyo, and it is their shampoo and conditioner. That's the page the book opened up to, and their bottles, if you like the products, are really cool looking. I love the way that looks. And the full-size products would be $14 each. This is an ounce each. This says, this duo won the Best of Beauty Award in 2018 for calming frizz in every texture. I am so excited. I'm going to have this in 2 boxes, so I'll have 2 ounces, which will give me a really good chance to try it. Sometimes smoothing, because my hair is so fine, sometimes smoothing makes it literally lay flat. Although, having just said that, this editor says, a year later, I'm still obsessed with these for smoothing my fine, flyaway prone hair. I used these recently after a long weekend beach vacation and they made my hair look healthy and shiny. It says they are powered by hydrating, shine-boosting ingredients like argan, baobab, and marula oils, and detangling and smoothing ceramides. And they don't contain any parabens or phthalates. Next we have, oh, I have actually had this. I did this in a giveaway because it's a brightening facial scrub, and it's sea kelp and French green clay, and it is 1 fluid ounce. And actually, I heard someone the other day who would be an expert on it say it's a cure, not a cure. And I thought, well, that's very interesting. I have been calling it a cure. When I did my Whole Foods bags in the spring, it had a lot of this product in it, so it must be very good for you. So this is 1 ounce, and the book says that 4 ounces would be $9.99. This makes me want to try it. I passed along my last ones because I was afraid of it, but this says, most exfoliators are too harsh for my sensitive skin and broken capillaries, but this formula's superfine grit doesn't aggravate my skin or make it red at all. That is very cool. It says that it rinses clean even though it is shockingly black when it comes out of the tube. Let's see if it is sealed. It is sealed. All right, let's go ahead and give it a try. Okay, I was just getting ready to open this and it was like, I feel like there was a more specific reason I didn't use this, and like 3 ingredients in is walnut and walnut shells, and I am allergic to walnuts. So we will set this aside. But you know what? Let's go back and smell these shampoo and conditioners that I forgot to smell. Oh, it's sealed too. Well, let's open that up. Although I probably shouldn't. It is crazy wet. It was sitting out in my mailbox. And it is very warm. Oh, it smells lovely. Citrusy. It smells very, very citrusy. I love that. Let's see if the conditioner smells the same way, because that smells fantastic. Oh yeah, this is the same exact smell. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try these. I hope this works for me. Those smell fantastic. As you can tell, I'm always burning candles. I just love a good scent. Next, we have the La Roche-Posay Lipicar Eczema Soothing Relief Cream with colloidal oatmeal. And this is a 0.17 fluid ounce. And the book says that it would be $14.99 if it were a full-size 6.76 ounces. This person says that her 5-year-old son had eczema since he was 18 months old, and she's tried everything on him and nothing ever worked until this. Well, I have a granddaughter who has a little bit of eczema, so I'm going to set this aside for her mom to try on her. But the editor says when she used it on him, she noticed how much it was easing the dry skin of her hands. And it says you don't have to have eczema to love this stuff. It is intensely hydrating without being too heavy, so it makes a great hand cream. Well, let's try it out, and then I will pass it along. It's just for my granddaughter, so she surely doesn't mind. It is this is what the tube looks like. And let's see. Oh good, it's not sealed. It comes out in such a tiny little hole. They must want to be sure you can use just a tiny bit. And it's just a white cream, as you would expect it to be. It's just a little bit on my finger. Ooh. Oh wow, my hand soaked that up in no time. It's got basically no scent. Perfect. So that feels fantastic. I hope that that works. Okay, next we have a NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dolce Vita. I feel like maybe I have this color downstairs. If I do, I'm not going to swatch it because I might want to forward it to someone. But this is what it looks like. And this is the color. It is very familiar. I totally believe that I have that color downstairs. And we get a lot of these NARS lips pencils in our boxes. So I'm going to leave that unswatched if that's okay with you guys. And let's see what the book says. The book says that this is a full price $27 lip. The soft rounded tip, like an extremely buttery crayon, applies smoothly, and the pigmentation factor is definitely impressive, though you can blot it out if you just want a wash of color. It never leaves your lips cracked or cakey, and it's got serious staying power. So that is very cool. Last but not least, we have Ciate Dewy Sticks, a luminous highlighting balm. And this is what that box looks like. And let's see what the stick looks like. Oh, it's a pretty gold stick. Very pretty. That is what that looks like. And let's see what they say about it. It says that a full size would be $26. Don't know whether this is the full size or not. It doesn't tell us, but it infers that it is. This highlighter is clean and glitter-free, so it gives you a lit from within look in the most natural way possible. It's also foolproof. Just tap on your cheekbones to achieve a dewy sheen. You can use it on your eyelids too for an all-over radiance. The highlighter gets its glow from superfine pearlescent pigments and has a pretty golden tint. All right, let's try it. I have a little bit of shine on. I have my ambient powder on, but let's see if this does anything different. I can feel it. I don't really see much more shine. Do you guys see any more? Oh, I could see it on that one. Do you guys see more shine? Do you see it on my nose? I probably would not choose to put it on my nose. It has a slightly oily texture to it. I like it a lot though. That's fun to try. All right, that is it for my Allure box. So it is a $15 box, and I believe that this Ciate is a $26 full size, and I believe the NARS is also full size, and it's $27. And then we have a sample La Roche-Posay for eczema. We have the shampoo and conditioner from Nature Lab Tokyo that smells so luscious and citrusy, and the Allure brightening facial scrub. I think it's a great box. Let me know what you think below, and I will look forward to seeing you guys again. Thank you so much for coming by. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you guys really soon. Have a great day.